here, Old Beach Farmers Market, November the 1st. We got about 20 minutes to go. I'm not going all the way down there. You've been down there before. It's a nice sunny day. In the high 50s now, but going to break in the 60s sometime, they claim. We're set up. Look at this. We got a whole bag of candy. Normally where we live, we get a lot of trick-or-treaters. Last night we had 4. Not many trick-or-treaters riding in our neighborhood. Well, I'm home from the market. I got my dinner soaking in a big pot of water to soften the scales up a little bit. I'm going to fillet that big old flounder. I'm eating the Swiss cheese sandwich with mustard. I'm going to check this boy out, then I'm going to recliner for a little while. I had him almost most of the morning. Like at 10:30, 10:45, I only done like 13 knives. Baker's dozen. And then at 11:15, 11:20, well, at 11 o'clock, I got 5. Another lady rolled in with 9. Another lady rolled in with 6. So I ended up with 33, which was far more than I expected. So it ended on a pretty good day. Not a ripper, but adequate. The boys are waiting for a little snack. The cats are gathered up in the sunlight. We're all down here a minute ago. My shoulder is better. Miniature cabbage. We're having them with the flounder, I think. Exciting, right? I'll get back to you in a minute. Well, I got 4 big fillets. Jumbo flounder. I got flounder roe for the cats. Flounder's really good for people too, but my cats love it. Flounder is coming out of the broiler. The little cabbages are ready, and the treats are ready. It's dinner time at the rancho.